Hey everyone, today I'm going to be organizing my kids' bathroom cabinet. So let's get into the video.
And here is how my bathroom cabinet is looking right now. As you can see, it looks like a big mess, but we're gonna get it fixed though. So first I'm gonna take everything out of here. Now that everything is out, I'm going to take a microfiber cloth and I'm going to wipe the inside of the cabinet. Now, since I've wiped down everything, I'm now going to start separating into two piles what I want to keep and what I don't want to keep. Most of this stuff I'm actually going to probably keep because most of this stuff I actually use. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm also checking the labels on all of these items just to make sure they're not expired. If they are, then I need to go ahead and recycle them. Okay, right now I've already separated everything into two piles. On the right, I have everything that I'm not going to keep, and on the left, I have everything that I am going to keep.
So if you can see right here, I have some stackable bins. This is a 3-pack stack in this basket, and I got these from Big Lots. They were $4 for 3 of them, and they're pretty wide, which is I liked about them as well. And then push this over here. I got this here, and then I also got 3. If you can see, I got 3 of these 12-quart multi-purpose bins, and they were $4 a piece. And these are really deep, as you can see that they're very deep. And I like that they're deep and narrow. So remember in my other video, I'll put it in the cards up here. I did a video on organizing my drawer. And I remember I said in that video that I went ahead and made sure I measured everything before I bought stuff. I did the same thing with the cabinet. I made sure I measured the space so that I could make sure for number one, I'm getting the maximum use out of the size of my space. And then number 2, I made sure my stuff fit. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is go ahead and I'm gonna start kind of separating, organizing everything. By the way, these labels are really easy to come off, and I so appreciate that. But tip, if you ever had an issue with labels, you can always just get what is called Goo Gone, and I might also put that down in the description box as well. And it will, you can spray it on the sticker, or you can peel the sticker off and then spray on whatever's left, and it will literally just help to peel the rest of that off.
Right here, I'm separating everything that I need to put in each bin. Are there any spaces in your home that you would like to organize? If so, comment them down below. Now it's time to put everything in the bins. Now here I'm just taking my microfiber cloth again, and I'm wiping down every item before I place it into the bin. Now for the cleaning product that I just use a multi-purpose spray to wipe everything down. As you can see, everything is nicely labeled and organized and ready to go back into the cabinet. Now remember the stackable bins? I decided to use those for their washcloths. And here is the final look, everyone. It's nice and organized. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for your support. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll see you again in the next video. Bye, everyone.